Joe. And what about school? Are you still going to school?
I gotta go to my schoolhouse.
Your schoolhouse.
Alex helps me. Alex helps me and my mom helps me.
Can you teach me something that they taught you in school?
Yeah.
What are you gonna teach me?
They teach me how to color.
Do they teach you the numbers? Can you say them to me? I don't know them.
Oh, no?
In Spanish? Oh my God, can you teach me?
And in English you say bye, adios.
How do you say the numbers in Spanish?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What else? 9, 10.
Yes.
You are so smart. What color is your shirt?
Red.
What color are your pants?
Your shirt.
What color is my shirt?
In Spanish.
Blue.
Blue. What color are Lala's pants?
Your shirt.
Smart.
What color is it in Spanish?
Red.
In French?
Blue.
Yes. Josiah, tell your sister, ¿Cómo te levó? Tell her. You're not going to say it in French? Okay, dile, ¿cómo estás? Dile, ¿cómo estás? Dile, hola, chica.
Hey, do you still have your little rats?
I don't have rats.
Chica y mamacita.
What are their names?
I don't got rats.
What are they? Mice?
I don't got rats.
Well, then what are they? What happened to them?
They're hamsters.
They're hamsters.
That time I went to this hamster store and I picked them. Then I take them down to my house and I put them in their own cage.
What are their names? You don't know your hamsters' names?
I forgot.
You forgot. Okay, bye, Joe.
Chica mamacita.
Chica mamacita?
Yeah. I named them.
Okay, is that all you're going to tell me?
Yeah.
Bye. Peace out. Say peace out.
You're black.